It's important for me that students understand the kind of value systems and social hierarchies that are embedded in urban culture and urban space. Our cities are unequal spaces. The ultimate end goal is that they will be developing project proposals for artistic kind of urban design interventions in Waterville, grounded in community needs. One of the challenges of this work is how do you collaborate with community members, but also produce something that engages the imagination, encourages people to think about city space in different ways. One thing I'm hoping for students is that they begin to see Waterville not as a thing to study, but as a thing that they're a part of. It's really important for them to get out there walking, to talk to people who have different perspectives than them, that have lived here for longer, engaging in conversations and having a sense of ownership of the spaces that they inhabit. An embodied experience of the city is really crucial to understanding what its successes are, what its challenges are, or what Waterville could become in ways that they had never thought about before.